Hi, welcome to Lazy Days channel. I cover all things here.
Join me as I dive into the world of car maintenance and challenge myself to figure out the best time to replace my air filter without spending a dime on a new one. So, let's talk about car air filters. We've all been there, our car's been running for a while, and we start to wonder if it's time to swap out that air filter for a brand new one. It's a bit like a ritual, right? We've been conditioned to believe that replacing the air filter is just a normal part of car maintenance. But have you ever stopped to think about why we do it? Is it really necessary? When it comes to air filter replacement, there are a lot of misconceptions floating around. Some people think you need to replace it every 15,000 miles, while others claim it's only necessary when your car starts to show signs of performance issues. But the truth is, there's a lot of confusion about when to actually replace your air filter. Even car manufacturers don't always agree on a specific timeline for replacement. It's no wonder drivers are left feeling frustrated and unsure about what to do. The lack of clear guidance on air filter replacement leads to a lot of unnecessary spending. We've all been guilty of throwing away a perfectly good air filter just because we thought it was time for a new one. But what if I told you that you don't need to shell out cash for a new air filter every time your car hits a certain mileage? What if there's a better way to approach air filter maintenance? So, how do air filters actually work? In simple terms, they're designed to capture dust, dirt, and other debris that could potentially harm your engine. But here's the thing, air filters can be cleaned, not just replaced. With a few simple tools and some basic knowledge, you can keep your existing air filter in top shape. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about all the dirt and grime that accumulates on the filter? Well, the truth is, most of that stuff can be easily cleaned off. And if your filter is really dirty, there are signs that'll let you know it's time for a new one. For example, if your car's air filter is clogged or damaged, it's probably time to switch it out. One of the biggest benefits of maintaining your existing air filter is the cost savings. Think about it, if you can clean your air filter instead of replacing it every 15,000 miles, you're going to save some serious cash over the life of your car. And let's be real, who doesn't love saving money? So, here's the deal, you don't need to break the bank on a new air filter every time your car hits a certain mileage. With a little bit of know-how and some basic maintenance, you can keep your existing air filter running smoothly for years to come. The key takeaway from all of this is that air filter maintenance is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead of following some arbitrary timeline for replacement, take the time to learn about your air filter and how to keep it clean. Your wallet, and your car, will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you've got any experiences with air filter maintenance, leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more car maintenance tips and tricks, be sure to check out our video on the top 5 car maintenance myths debunked.
Thank you for dropping by. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoy it all.